What if the next cinematic powerhouse didn't need a backpack, just your pocket? Right now, we are standing on the edge of something big. The DJI Mini 6 Pro hasn't even been officially announced, and yet the conversation around it is already exploding. Leaks, insider whispers, and industry patterns all point toward one thing: DJI isn't just planning an upgrade. They are aiming for a complete reset of what a sub-250-gram drone can do. To understand why this matters, look at what came before. The DJI Mini 5 Pro already pushed boundaries with its 1-inch sensor, stunning photo quality, and impressive flight performance. It hit that perfect balance between power and portability. But now, expectations are on another level. The biggest rumor: a serious camera evolution. We are hearing talk of 5.7K or even full 6K video. That alone changes everything for creators. More resolution means more flexibility, crop in, stabilize, reframe, without losing that crisp cinematic quality. It's the kind of upgrade that turns a casual flying camera into a professional storytelling tool. But it doesn't stop there. The real game changer could be a dual camera system. Imagine switching seamlessly between a wide cinematic lens and a telephoto zoom, all from a drone that weighs less than 250 grams. That's not just convenience. That's creative freedom. No more choosing between portability and versatility. You get both. Flight performance is also expected to take a leap. We are hearing numbers pushing beyond 40 minutes of flight time. And if you've ever flown a drone, you know those extra minutes are everything. They are the difference between missing the perfect shot and capturing it. Then comes the intelligence factor. Smarter AI tracking, better obstacle avoidance, and stronger transmission systems could make this drone feel less like a gadget and more like a creative partner. A drone that understands your movement, locks onto your subject, and delivers smooth, cinematic footage without constant manual control. Of course, none of this is officially confirmed yet. And there's another layer to the story: global regulations. Markets like the US are tightening rules, and that could impact how and when new drones launch. So it's not just about what DJI can build, it's also about what they'll be allowed to release. Still, if even half of these rumors turn out to be true, the Mini 6 Pro could redefine the entire category. A true cinema-capable drone that fits in your jacket pocket. So now the question is, what would your dream setup look like? Dual cameras, 6K video, insane battery life, or next-level AI tracking? Because one thing is clear: the future of aerial filmmaking is about to get a whole lot smaller and a lot more powerful.